Hello, it's Jenny here. Today I would like to try to paint a winter landscape with watercolors. Let's get started. This is just clean water. You can also add water with a brush, but I decided to use a spray. Maybe it can look more interesting, we will see. I will use the gray color first. Here the sky will begin, and here the ground will be. Now more color for the sky. The ground too. There will be snow here, so the sky will be reflected in it. I will add more color to the sky, make it more beautiful. That's why I put water in the beginning, to make the colors easier to blend. There will be trees here somewhere, so I will add more of gray to the background. I forgot to use tape, so it's twisting. Before I dry it with a heat gun, I will put the tape on the paper. So, we have it dry. I'm going to paint the trees. I will use a dark gray and create the trunk and branches. Some shadows. I will use water to blur. Some more grasses and bushes. I have already painted a few pictures, but I'm still a beginner. This picture is beginner friendly and you can definitely do it too. Feel free to use school watercolors and don't be afraid to try something. I often use school watercolors in various techniques. I will do more details with a darker gray. Now I'm going to use white acrylic paint for the snow. I'm using acrylic, not watercolor paint, so that it can be seen better. And more white color For the snow on the ground, in some places you can still see that I used spray water in the beginning. If I had focused more on it and paid attention, it could be visible around the whole picture and it could look nice and interesting. So maybe for the future, it's a nice effect. And at the end I will add splashes with white color. It's also acrylic paint, but mixed with water. They will be snowflakes. Okay, it will be enough. So let's take a look at it. It's such a bright, peaceful winter landscape. I hope you like it and give it a try too. So let's paint and have fun. Bye bye.